Hello friends, my name is Pitambar. I am originally from North Maharashtra where the Irani language is spoken. But I now live in Pune with my lovely family. My wife's name is Bhavna and we are proud parents of our 1.5-year-old daughter Gargi, who brings endless joy to our lives. I hold master's degree in English language along with a degree in computer science engineering. Academically, I have a strong foundation in both technology and language. Currently, I work as a government teacher at Pune Municipal Corporation School. I am deeply passionate about education and self-improvement. Teaching is not just my profession, it's my passion. I find immense joy in inspiring young minds and sharing knowledge. As a teacher, I strive to make learning enjoyable and meaningful for my students. I am also working on developing my skills in public speaking and creative writing to become a better communicator and mentor. Thank you for giving me this opportunity to share a little bit about myself. I am excited to learn and grow alongside all of you. Let us make the journey enriching and memorable. Thank you.